Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default browser on a Mac. This lets you choose which browser opens when you click links in emails or other apps. So let's get started. Step 1. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Settings. Step 2. In System Settings, scroll down and click Desktop and Dock. Step 3. Scroll until you see the option that says Default Web Browser. Which is going to be right here. Step 4. Click the drop-down menu and select the browser you want to use. I currently have Google Chrome, Brave Browser, Firefox, and Safari. For the sake of this video, we're going to select Safari. Step 5. Once selected, your Mac will now use that browser to open links by default. And that's how you change the default browser on a Mac. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.